Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing a wig that I received from Klaiyi Hair. In the box, I received the typical goodies such as the headband and the wig cap, but for their Black Friday sale, they are adding extra goodies, which is a set of combs and brushes, and it also came with mini hair clips. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. It is a 24-inch reddish brown jerry curly wig, and the density of this wig is 180% density. This is their tiny knot 7x5 wear-and-go lace wig, which means that the unit already comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached, which cuts out a lot of time when it comes to customizing a wig and also installing the wig as well. First things first, I'm going to pin the hair back so that I can fully see the lace. Then I'm going to go in with my Ebin Wonder Bond holding gel so that I can install this lace. For an extra hold, I'm also going in with my Ebin Firm Hold Spray on top of the Ebin gel. Now I'm going in with my blow dryer on a medium heat setting to semi-dry the glue and wait for it to get tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. Since this closure is a bit wider than a typical 4x4 or 5x5 closure, I'm going to lay this lace down in two sections. Therefore, I can really make sure that the lace is fully glued down and it is properly glued down. Now I'm just combing back the hair to make sure there's no extra hair in the way. Then I'm gonna go in with my Ebin Firm Hold Spray and lay the areas down that did not fully glue down the first time. Now that the lace is fully glued down, I'm going in with some alcohol to clean up any extra glue or residue that was left behind. Now I'm going in with my Ebin Firm Hold Spray in the color level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now I'm using my elastic band, and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on a hot heat setting to melt this lace down. And I'm doing this process for about 3 to 5 minutes. And as far as the baby hairs, I'm going to just let y'all watch this because I feel like it's more of a visual learning type of process. I'm going in with my tweezers to pluck my baby hairs, and give it that thin baby hair type of look, because I feel like it just looks more natural, especially with colored hair as well. I'm going in with my Kiss razor to cut my baby hairs. Then I'm also gonna go in with my baby hair flat iron to curl my baby hairs and give the baby hairs a fluffy type of look. I also feel like curling my baby hairs help to style the edges as well. To style my baby hairs, I'm using the Got2b High Insta Hold Spray. Now I'm using the Ebin Wig Knots Concealer to enhance my parting space. Now let's get into actually styling the curly hair. So first I'm going to part the hair into a section. Then I'm going to detangle the hair with a wide vent brush. Next I'm going to spray my hair with water using my mist bottle. And you want to really be generous with the amount of water that you spray on this wig so that all of the curls are properly styled and there's no dry curl patches. Next, I'm going to go in with my Coconut Curls Cream by OGX and just run a small amount of that cream throughout the hair so that it can give the hair just this softer touch and also moisturize it. Lastly, I'm going to scrunch up the curls so that it can form a nice curl pattern. You're going to just take sections of the hair and apply that same process throughout each section of the wig. Also, y'all, do not mind my elbow. It is makeup that was on my desk that I leaned onto, so just disregard that. One thing I would say is the unit itself is soft, but it is not the softest curly unit that I've had. So when it comes to detangling the hair, I did have to put in a little bit more elbow work to detangle the ends. But I also noticed that once everything was detangled and styled, the unit felt softer and had more of a soft look to it as well. Also, these clips are not a part of the actual style. It is just to keep the front of the hair from out of my face. Now it's time to dry these curls, and you can either go one or two ways. You can either use a diffuser like myself, or you can air dry the hair. I like to use a diffuser because it's quicker, and also it prevents less frizz when it comes to curly hair especially. When it comes to using a diffuser, you want to make sure you start from the bottom and then scrunch the curls up to the foundation of the wig, and you want to make sure that you're getting all areas of the hair so that the wig is completely dry. Here's how the hair look diffused on one side and damp on the other side. Now that our curls are fully dried, now I'm gonna go in with my scissors to layer the curls, frame it to my face, and I feel like layering curls to frame your face just gives it more personality. I'm going to give the ends of this curly wig a blunt cut straight across, and I love doing this because it gives the ends of this wig more of a fuller look. This step is completely optional, but the last thing that I love to do with my curly hair is fluff it out. And basically you're just going in and stretching the hair out exactly how I'm doing it. And this really gives the curls more volume. It makes the hair look so full and healthy, and I always love the outcome of my hair whenever I do this step. So here is the final look of this wig, and I was very happy with the outcome of it. What I really love is, of course, the color. This reddish brown color is definitely in season. We are in fall time, so it's the best time to wear this color. Also, I'm just really loving the volume on this hair, the fullness, and the actual curls itself. It's beautiful. I'm also really appreciating the fact that a lot of these companies are starting to do most of the hard work when it comes to the customization of wigs. So the fact that this wig came pre-styled, pre-bleached, and pre-cut was really the icing on the cake for me. Here's how the back of the unit look. Is definitely full, especially for 180% density, and it does not have any gaps in it. I'm also loving these new 7x5 closure wigs because it's like right in the middle of a frontal and a small closure, so it's not as much work. and it is also just as easy to install as a closure wig, all while still giving off that frontal type of look, just less work. That is the end of this video. Y'all let me know how y'all like this unit in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.